Hi all, this is week 5 of my 365 project and I can't believe that we are already 5 weeks into the new year. Crazy, isn't it? So this week was a little bit more challenging because we went to visit my in-laws and my mom. And due to that, there was a lot of traveling. The weather in the north of the Netherlands was crazy. So we had an emergency call on our phone at 6:30 in the morning. And it was code red. You couldn't go outside. It was weird. But I still managed to make every day one piece. I must admit that I made on Sunday evening, we left on Monday morning, but on Sunday evening I already made half of the Monday part. So that was easier because sometimes I can crochet in the car and sometimes I just can't. So this time I couldn't. So in the evening at our holiday home, I made the Monday part and was already also be able to do the part of the Tuesday, and Wednesday was no problem at all. So yes, it was a challenging week, but it was also a good week. I went to visit my mom on Wednesday, and my mom is my biggest fan, I must say. But she is in everything I do. She loves it. She loves the colors. She is always encouraging me when I tell her the story about my 365 project. She was really she liked it, and she's always like, how do you come up with these ideas? I have no idea, but she listens and she understands. And yes, so it was really uplifting to show her the pile with rectangles I have until now, and it was good. Also, my mom is, I will tell a little story, because my mom is 76. No, my mom is 68. I have to think. Yeah, this year she turns 68, but at 76 she had her last operation on one of her eyes. She is born with an deficit, and her eyes didn't work well, so she has been more or less blind my whole life. And when she was 76, almost 10 years ago, she went for a last operation, and on Monday we went in with her. I went to the hospital with her, and she got a big plastic ball on her eye, and on Tuesday they took it off, and that was the most magical thing I think I have ever encountered in my whole life. They took off the plastic thing, and she looked up and she said, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lights. Oh, and the blue chair. And then she looked over, and I was like, I think I was 2.5, 3 meters from her. I mean, when before the operation, she could barely see me. She, with one eye, she couldn't see anything anymore, and the eye that they operated was only light and dark. That's the only thing she could see. So I was 3.5, 2.5 meters from her, and she looked at me and said, oh, Esther, there's you. And we cried and cried, and that whole day that whole week, I can say, she was like a kid in a candy store. She was like looking at the flowers. Her brother sent her flowers, and she was, every time she went back and she like, oh, I see the purple and I see the red one and I see the orange one. She was looking outside and saying, oh, I can see the trees and the green of the grass, and I see, oh, what's there over there? Oh, it's a car, I can see it in the distance. She went to bed at one time, and then she came out of bed during the day, and she came out for a nap, and she came back and she said, oh my God, don't tell your dad, but those curtains are absolutely hideous. They are awful. So we had a 1 week blast. It was so much fun. And since then, she can see a lot of things I make, and I don't have to describe them. I can just show them, and she can, with looking very close, and she can't see the details, but she can see the colors and the shapes. And so, yeah, my mom encouraged me again to go on, because some days I'm a little bit hesitating if this is a good project, but she pulled me through again. So this is week 5. I'm sorry I'm rambling. Just put it on 2 times and then it will go quicker. Okay, so week 5, colors are mustard, cream and green, and the theme is now I forgot the theme. Soft arches. Yes. Day 1, day 2, day 3. I don't like this design at all, but I made a promise with myself that I won't tear it apart, and I won't try to remake it. It is what it is. So an ugly arch it will be. I have to just let it go. This one I'm not fond of either, but this one is better. So that's what we do. Just make and just go on. Leave it as it is. This one is a little bit wonky too. I don't know. The tension wasn't right again. I don't know. It just happens, and I have to let it happen. That's the point of the whole year, to enjoy the making, be in the process, focusing on here and now, and not on the past, not on the future, just as it is. And that's it. That was week 5. We're going up to week 6 now. It will be with pink, cranberry and olive, and it's something with blocks. I think I can't remember the name of the theme. You'll have to watch next week. Okay, so this was it, and have a gentle day. Bye bye for now.